Hey everybody! All right, so I still have my whiteboard, I still have my marker, but maybe I have a different sort of problem. One that I haven't seen yet this year, one that maybe it's good to talk out. So I encourage you to sit next to that big brother or grandma and just share your thoughts about the math. Have a math talk. Here we go. Whatever we're talking about today, I know some pets are involved, and I love pets. So let's see what we have here. Oh, puppies and cats and fish and birds. Oh, so dogs, I see them, cats, fish, and birds. So this is what's called a graph, a bar graph in this case, and it's showing me how many of each type of these animals are maybe in the neighborhood or maybe in the pet store, wherever they are. So I can see right away, kind of, the nice thing about using a graph is you can see visually right away that fish is more than birds and that cats is kind of in the middle, right? You can see that, and that's why magazines and newspapers, that's why when you watch the news, they often present information using graphs because they're quick and they're easy to understand. Much easier than, like, say, a paragraph. If I had just said, dogs have this many, dogs have this many, cats have this many, fish have this many, it would be a lot to read and a lot to remember, and you might forget. But the graph is going to give it to you quick and easy. All right. So if you're asked a specific question about, like, birds, for example, I would find the birds section of the graph, and then I would go up the bar and then across the line to the number that shows, that there are two birds represented on this graph. Two boxes, the number two birds. That's not always the case. Sometimes these numbers count by fives or count by twos, right? So keep an eye on the numbers as you go. This one, I think I picked a simple one. How many cats does the pet store have? Well, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Takes us right, 4. So you can see right away more cats than birds. Maybe the cats ate some of the birds. How many fish do they have? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's more here than the cats. How many more? Well, you just find that spot and you can easily compare. Oh, I see how many more. 1, 2, 3 more. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to write down a total of 7 fish because they're just asking about the fish. Oh, and here they're talking about fish as compared to cats. Do they have more fish or more cats? And then I want to add to this question, how many more? So they definitely have more fish. Okay, so I'm going to circle that part of the answer. They have more fish. How many more fish do they have? They have 1, 2, 3 more because you would have to add 3 cats to make them the same. Or you'd have to take away 3 fish to make them the same. So the difference is this missing part right here. So the difference, you would subtract to find that if you really wanted to. You could go 7, take away 4, and you would get that missing part or the difference. 3 more fish. I'm just going to put a big F here. 3 fish. Hey, you may not know this, but these graphs, they're coming in our next chapter. They're going to be great. Thanks, everybody. Bye now.